Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team, making the watch list video for Friday, April 27th. I'm going to pull up a chart here for the futures, the S&P futures, and still playing games. That's what it's doing, right? You can see the 9 and the 20 EMA are pinching. If you do, let's do this here. Kind of got a descending triangle action going on here, right? So you take a look over here. You can see kind of multiple bases here, kind of down these areas here. So you can see prices going up on the daily and making higher lows, right? Or lower highs, right? Here's a high, lower high, lower high. This ain't good. You can see kind of the trend line kind of pointing down here as well. So kind of got that action going on here. So that's a descending triangle. That's not good. If you zoom in here, you can kind of see a head and shoulders, a head right here. Now you kind of got a left shoulder here. You got some pops up over here. So, you can call this you can kind of just look at a left shoulder, right shoulder. It's playing around with like a head and shoulders as pattern here. It's kind of poking up over here, kind of breaking above over this area. But bottom line, it's still not good at all. Still got a descending triangle kind of action going on here. EMA's moving average lines are kind of messed up, trading sideways. So it's got a long ways to go until price can just get above, maybe that 2617 area and try to start breaking out. It's got to break this down channel of angular momentum coming down over here. So bottom line's not looking great until it can kind of get up above those areas. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, kind of predictable. Same thing. Kind of has a descending triangle here, double top over here. That was a big area. You can see the base right here, the original base of that double top. Just zoom it around here, and well, no coincidence that it's having trouble getting above there. And again, no coincidence that it was rejecting right over here. If you zoom in here, right at 97.73, right below 10,000, huge psychological resistance point. So got to watch and see what happens here. But this one still is basically in a descending triangle. It's kind of broken out over here, but you can kind of extend it if you want to kind of go out this way as well. Kind of extend, the top here of the trend line here. So, Bitcoin market still not looking great. So I got to watch and see what the heck is going to be going on moving forward. We are also doing some putting together for our candlesticks course, guys. We told you we launched that recently. I think that was this week. This is candlestick course number 1. As you can see, there are about 30 patterns in this first course right over here. And you'll see in the videos here, we're showing you several real world patterns in these candlesticks patterns in our course. I think I said that. I don't know what I meant. We show you several real world patterns of each pattern, or examples of each pattern, whatever the heck it is, right? And then what we did is we did under our members only section, you'll see when you log in up here, we have a video on how to trade all of these patterns. So these of each video right here, we did several examples. Man, I can't talk today. Each of these patterns, in each video, we did several different real world patterns. And then we show you how to trade them under our members only section. And then you'll start to see as we go along, we have blog posts that are going to be done on every one of these patterns as well. So you'll see us constantly updating this, where it'll show you watch our bullish candlesticks video, or watch the video and then read the blog post. We're almost through the entire course on blog post, but if you want to catch a head start, we're just slowly updating the links on that course. But if you go under over here under categories and under candlesticks, you'll see a whole bunch of articles that we've done for each of them. We've pretty much, you can just kind of go through. So we're doing videos and blog posts for every pattern. We're almost done with every blog post for this course, and then we'll be doing the same for the second course. So in the end, you're going to have a whole candlesticks patterns course and then a reversal course, which is going to show you the 2 and 3 candlesticks patterns that are going to show and make up reversals, right? If this seems overwhelming to you, well, it is. Trading is hard, and if you skip any of these videos, you're not going to make it as of a trader. You'll get lucky for a little bit, make some lucky trades, but you need to know every single pattern. And to make it easier for you, not only are we putting pictures in the course, but again, we have the video showing you how to trade them, your entries with a stop loss. But we will also be in the next month or two. We have our artist. We don't like to do things cheap around here. We like to make things look good and artistic and stuff like that. So we're going to be creating a couple desktop wallpaper backgrounds, which are going to take all these patterns with entries and stops, make it look really cool. And then we're also probably going to have an ebook as well. So in the next month or month and a half, we'll have an ebook. So then you'll be able to take everything that you've learned in both candlesticks courses, have it in ebook format, so you can have it on your computer, or if you're old school, kind of like me, you like to print stuff down, take it with you, take it to work, read it. And then the PDF, the wallpaper backgrounds, you can have, you'll be able to have them on your computer, but you could also print them out as well, right? So you'll see right here, I just have some generic ones set up on the back of my computer right now, like this, right? It's very helpful, right? I just went and typed in Google and pulled it up, and here you go. So ours is going to be similar to something like this, just more artistic, more our style. But it's good to always see this kind of stuff, and then you can print it out and have it for yourself, right? So all that stuff's going to be coming very soon, so stay tuned. But again, make sure you watch our candlesticks videos and take our candlesticks course. So let's get into the watch list for tomorrow, Friday the 27th. Let's see if anything looks good. This market's got to do something here. Choose a direction, for crying out loud already. All right, so let's take a look at ABWN. So we're looking for stocks that are either holding their highs on the day for potential continuation upwards, or holding their lows for potential continuation downwards. So this is a perfect example of one that is holding its highs on the day, maybe looking to potentially break out tomorrow. We're trying to keep our watch list now to between 5 to 7 stocks, just to not overwhelm you. Because if you have too many on there, hey, it's great. You have a whole bunch of alerts going off, but it's hard to kind of keep track of what's actually happening. So we're going to try to make them a little bit more tactical. So, well, after hours, it looks good. I like this. This is really weird on the bid and ask. I don't like this. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, I'm not gonna. This is throwing me off. This level 1 area. I don't like that. So I'm not gonna put that on. I don't know what's going on with it. Nope, not that one. Let's take a look on the hourly. 73 might be flagging. I have a chance to go up a little bit. I might put it down here for right now. I'm going to put them on, and then in the end, I kind of just going to weed them down and add alerts to them. See which ones I want to keep or not keep. APRN. This one might be setting up. Blue Apron. Goodness gracious, this thing is just taking an absolute beating. Kind of flagging here. Might be one to take a look at. Let's see here on the hourly. A little bit overextended, might be pulling back. So I'm going to put this one on the watch list. So I'll just I'll chart it out afterwards. So I do like that one, APRN, Blue Apron. No, I don't like that one. Nope. possible for that one. So put CDR as, we'll take a look at that one after. CETV, nope. CGIP in the gap. Gets a little bit messy and volatile in there. Might go up and fill it at some point. Might be a shooting star kind of pattern right now, so we got to see. Don't like it. Nope. CPRX. Possibly. Let's see. There is a 920 crossover. Might be trying to get out. We'll take a look at it afterwards. CRK. No. Nope. No. So yeah, all I'm doing right now, guys, I'm just putting them down here, and then I'll kind of weed them out afterwards, and I'll chart them out. Just want to kind of breeze through and see if I like anything first. One might be trying to break out of a down channel. Let's see on the hourly. Yeah, that might be. It's one to keep an eye on. So put that one down here. DDR. Nope. GPOR. Nah. HTGM. No. KERX. No. MATR. Nope. That is a gravestone or a dragonfly doji for all you guys that are taking our course. MBOT. Me. It's a little close to the 103, so no. MTSL. Nope. NBEV, that is a pot stock, I believe. NBEV. Let's see, right around $2. Where is this? 205. Possible. Put that one down here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Possible. Might be trying to get above that 200 SMA, so we'll take a look after. PEI. Holding ties. Stuck between these moving average lines. Don't really like it. PGH. No. Sloppy. Overextended over here. Don't like it. RAD. Messy looking candlesticks. Don't like it. RNN. Not really doing much for me. ROSG. Nope. SSC. Nah. Resistance, moving average lines, not really seeing anything there. TNDM, wow, look at that. That thing took a dump, huh? Dropped a couple dollars after market. Bad news, maybe? Probably. Tops, good old garbage, shipping company. Can't even tell how to chart this stupid thing. That stock like that and dries are just hard to chart and trade when you can't see a pattern. So usually kind of wait and see if anything's happening like on trade ideas in the morning. And if that pops up, then it's one I'll take a look more then. Got lots of resistance here. It might start to break up at some point. VT. Let's see. Let's take a look at the hourly. That one might. That one might be one to watch. VT. And a couple more here. Nope. WPG. And nope. Let's take a look at bearish scan, see if anything is on that one. Let's see. Come on. Maybe there's nothing. Huh. Nothing's popping up on the bearish scan right now. Interesting. Oh, there we go. Only a few, so that's good. We'll take a look and see if there's anything good on it. Nope. Ugh, that one's messy. Nope. CNAT. No. Nope. ESND, don't like it. ESV, still falling. Now it's close to 550, so you can see 550 is at 20 EMA, 535 is the 200, so kind of close to support. So I don't know if I necessarily want to look at that as a short. It is ETV, easy to borrow, so it is potentially shortable, but close to short or close to support. Just talking this out with you guys. I like to show you guys this stuff when I'm thinking, rather than, again, just throwing stuff on here and not having you know what I'm thinking. It's not really going to help you. So this would be good, potentially a short, if the moving average lines weren't necessarily below it. If it was falling like below these moving average lines, then I might look at it. It's a little closer to support. Doesn't mean it can't fall further, but that's why I'm not going to put it on. Gurn, no. PFIE, don't like it. Again, close to the moving average lines. Still could fall. Doesn't mean it won't, but I'd like to see it fall below the 20. And QTNT, nope. So let's take a look at these ones over here. If I see what I like or dislike about them. So VTVT, let me just remove this drawing set. So you can see there's a gap right here between 267 to 323. You do have that 237 resistance level. So it's kind of got like almost like a kind of a symmetrical triangle or a pennant kind of forming there. And you can see it's right above that 200, so which is good. You want to see it get above that. So this one might have a chance to run. So I'm looking for it to, and it's right at $2, which is good. So where is this? 267. So where is the 237, that 20 EMA, right? So what I want to put here is watch if price can get above 20 EMA around 237 with resistance at bottom of gap around 267. Is that right? See, 237.67. What's that say? 237, 267-ish right here. So I want to see it get above that 20 EMA, and then there's that. So resistance at the 20, resistance at the base of this gap. There's a gap here. Who knows if it'll fill? Got to watch and see. Might be setting up for it. So that's what I'm looking at right here. I want to see if price is at some point going to go in and fill that gap. NBEV, NBEV. So let me just clear these drawings. Look at the hourly. Let's see here. Kind of can draw that trend line there. You can kind of probably draw one right around here as well, right? So I want to see this. Let's do this. Has some support down here. Oops. Kind of like this descending triangle, right? So you can see this also could be a double bottom as well. So 234. This might, if it gets above 2, look out for that 234. So I'm going to do this. At or above. It's all about patterns, guys. Watch this. Double bottom on the 1 hour. If price can get above 2, then watch for resistance at top of double bottom around 230s. Right there, right? So let me just do this. I'm gonna make sure, guys, make sure you're watching these, the notes that we put on these alerts. So we're giving you lots of notes to pay attention to, which are very, 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 very important, right? These notes are gonna tell you what to look for so that you guys can do this yourself, because it's very important to be able to learn these patterns, learn what's going on. So you can see here a big descending triangle, but you have a potentially bullish setup, a double bottom within a descending triangle might be trying to push up. Look at this resistance level right there, right? That's what I'm looking at. Who knows what'll happen? The market's not looking great now. So again, that's why we got to put these alerts on, see what's going to happen. You can see it kind of pulled back right over here, right at that 20 EMA, so it could still reject. Could be a bearish day tomorrow, so we got to just watch and see, right? You got to put these on the watch list. No one can predict what the market's going to do. Who the heck knows what's going to happen out? Come out tomorrow for news. Could be good, could be bad. Got to wait and see. Blue Apron, just a major, huge, looking terrible company right now. I'd put some resistance. I mean, I always got to put some resistance, that psychological support and resistance around 250. Might be trying to move up. It is overextended a little bit on the hourly. Let's take a look at the daily here again. So you can see it's just trying to, maybe you can see a 9 and potentially 20 crossover. Want to see it get above that 50 simple moving average. So I'm going to put it right that 230-ish area. So let's see here. It's a little bit close to, let's see. Let me do this. At or above 226. See if price can get above 50 SMA around 230, then watch for potential resistance around 250. All right, whole and half dollar amounts got to be careful of, and then got to look at other things, moving averages and other areas of resistance as well. So that's Blue Apron. CPRX. Don't know if, do I like this one? $3. Let me take a look at the hourly. And not liking this one. I'm going to take that one off. CDR. Oops. As you can see, I've been doing lots of videos for you guys on these candlesticks. So let's take a look at the hourly here. Might be trying to break. Let's see here. Might be kind of breaking out of that down channel potentially, right? Let's see if it's going to move up. It is overextended on the hourly. It did reject right below 4. Might be forming a cup pattern here. So this is one to keep an eye on. Let me see if I like it. Look at that, right at that $4 amount, right? Kind of went up, pulled back a little bit. Let's take a look at the daily. I don't know if I like it. It's a little bit overextended. Let me come back to that one. APPS. Let's see here. Go to the hourly. So this one, kind of right above that. Kind of in a down channel here, might be kind of bull flagging. Watch for that 189 area for resistance. Let's take a look at the daily. And it's kind of a lot near resistance. I'm going to take that one off. Let's take a look at DDR. Take a look at the hourly. So let's see here. That one might be hitting up against resistance as well. Let's see here. This one might be a potential short. It's kind of in this falling wedge kind of pattern here. Again, as you can see, there's not much. Lots of resistance going on right now. So there's not a lot of really great ones to look at. I'm not liking a lot of these. I don't like it. So I'm not going to put that one on. Let's go back to CDR here. If that can break $4, that would be one to potentially watch. So I'm going to put that one on for watch for that potential break of 4. If it can break 4, that would be good. Again, just as you can see, there's just not much going on just because the market's crappy. So 393. Let's see. At or above 393. Watch for potential break above the cup pattern. Needs to get above $4 and hold. And then 420s resistance. Right in these areas. Right around there. Right? So, guys, crappy. Right? Looks really kind of garbage right now. Not much looking really good. I want to change this back to this because I'm a little OCD. I like the dotteds more. Do that. There we go. Perfect. All right, so as you can see, kind of garbage, not much going on. It's Friday, be careful. It's the day trade watch list, so obviously you're looking to day trade, get some scalps. That's why, again, I'll show you in a second here. First of all, if you're not a member of our community, come and join us. Got lots of people, 29,000 plus. We keep all the garbage, the spammers, the trolls out. Really good community. Again, ask questions in our community. If you're new, ask lots of questions. That's why we have this here. We do our best to respond to your emails and stuff like that. But again, we have lots of members. So again, we try our best to answer like simple questions, but we do get a lot of people asking us simple questions or where to get in and out of trades, stuff like that. That's stuff that you want to post in our group. Ask questions here. That's why we have this community. Like I said, we try to answer emails as best as we can, but it gets a lot. And you get a lot of emails of just simple questions. Make sure you just ask them in the community. That's why we have this resource for you, right? So also to like and follow our fan page. This is where we post our updates. You can see what's going on. Keep in touch with us over here. So like and follow our fan page. Join our Facebook group. And again, if you haven't been over to our website, head over to bullishbears.com. Link is below. We have a day trading room and a swing trading / options room. This is where all our action happens each day in both of these rooms over here. The swing trading and options room is a little bit slower, obviously, because you're not getting in and out of swing trades constantly. It's been a little bit trickier lately, especially when the market can't seem to choose a direction. So it's a little bit tougher with swing trades, but again, great place to learn, talk to other traders in both rooms. So come and join us, practice. Again, we do send out our alerts and our watch list each night, so it's a great place basically to upload the watch list and the alerts that we do. Shadow, put them into your brokerage account, come into our trading rooms and practice with other traders. Practice in a virtual trading account. The trading accounts that we recommend are Thinkorswim and Interactive Brokers. They have really great virtual platforms to practice in. So, open a practice account, come into our trade rooms, take our watch lists and alerts, practice trading, make a few hundred trades, and until you feel comfortable. We just like to just tell people, again, trading's hard. It's going to take you hundreds of practice trades. It's going to take you months, if not a year plus, to learn trading. You're not just going to come in and, if you're new, you might get lucky for a while. A lot of people do, beginner's luck. But if you want to be a good trader long term, it's going to take months. It's going to take years or, months up to a year plus to get comfortable. That's why all of these candlesticks patterns are extremely important. Start right up here. We put everything in order. Boom, boom, boom. Keep going, right? Until you finish the course. And then take our second course when it comes out. Super, super important. I can't stress it enough how important candlesticks are and how each pattern is so incredibly important to learn, right? Because that's trading. So whether you're doing day trading, swing trading, all of these patterns are very, very important. And we put it, again, this course section right here, we have free courses. All of these courses right now are available for free. This will keep you busy for a few months. So if you're new, there's other trading companies out there that charge $3,000 plus for all of their courses. And that's not a ripoff. That's, time is money, right? We could easily, I say this all the time, we could easily take all these courses right here, take them off of YouTube, put them behind a paywall, and charge you guys, put them all together for a bundle, $3,000, right? We could easily charge for these courses, easily. Just change them and just not make them free. But right now we're making them free, and it'll keep you busy for months, right? Start up with our candlesticks course and just work your way up. If you're new, take some time to learn and save yourself money, all that money when you're getting started. And a couple other things here. We have, again, Trade Ideas is our favorite scanner of choice. It's awesome. If you don't have the budget, we post Trade Ideas link under members only info each day. You can look at our live screen share. That's a $120 tool each month that we let you look at our screen basically for free. And then Market Club is our swing trade scanner of choice. So about half the price of Trade Ideas, really good for more of like swing trading. So links are below. We'd appreciate it if you buy from us. We get a 15% discount for you for Trade Ideas. Market Club, we get you a two-week free trial. So links are below. Both really great products that we don't just put any product that we don't like behind what we promote. We like to promote products that are really good, and Trade Ideas and Market Club are both awesome. So I'm going to stop rambling right now. Again, we are only $10 a month. Our membership price is a joke, peeps. We have lots of members. We're constantly growing. We appreciate all you guys. We appreciate all the positive feedback. Again, we're just trying to do something different. Help people out, teach them trading, make it economical. $10 a month, cost of a Netflix payment, $99 for the year if you want to prepay for the year, or the cost of an Amazon Prime membership. Make it very, very simple to learn trading. We are a no pressure trading company, so you can come and learn at your own pace. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube right over here. Click the notification bell, and we have a bunch of videos over here. Just more content if you want to learn more stuff, right? Got lots of good stuff. So hopefully this watch list video helped you. Again, not much going on tomorrow, but I want to show you guys, again, I could easily make this watch list video 10 or 15 minutes and just call it a day, but for those that are paying attention, those that really want to learn, I'm showing you what's in my head, how I'm looking at this, what I'm doing, and showing you what's good and what's bad. I only got 4 potential plays for tomorrow. I could have made this watch this video for 5 or 10 minutes, but then you would have missed all the psychology of what's going on, what to look at, patterns, all of that good stuff. So hopefully you find value in it. If not, too bad. Enjoy.